Okay, for the steering wheel, right here on this side, everything is your media, and everything right here is your cruise control. To turn on the cruise control, you press this button, and then right there, you'll see that little car pop up with the lines in front of you. The lines in front of you are the distance between you and the car in front of you. If you want to get closer, you press this one, and you'll notice that the lines right there are disappearing. And if you want more distance between you and the car in front of you, it would be this one. So notice how there's more lines. And then for the adaptive cruise control, the feature that keeps you between the lines and the car in front of you, well, it keeps you between the lines. It would be this one. So you press it and you'll see that little steering wheel saying ready, and it'll turn green once it's actually active and working. And then once you're at the speed that you want, you just press set, and then it'll be at that speed that you want. To turn it off, you press off this button right here, or you press the brake. And that's how you use cruise control. And then for this side right here, we have source, and that switches from FM to AM to Sirius XM. This one changes the stations, and this is to go back and forth. So these two are the same thing. This one's to answer phone calls, decline phone calls. If you press and hold this one, it'll use Siri or Google depending on what device you have. And then this one's to higher the volume, or to lower the volume and higher the volume. And those are the basics for the steering wheel. And then some cars do have the heated steering wheel, and to turn that on, it would be right here. And then back here we have the paddle shifters. We have the downshift, and then we have upshift. So if you want to drive manual, that's where you would change the gears. And then to turn that on, you just press it on drive and then move all the way to M. So drive and then move this right here to the M.